By popular demand, here's my full tutorial on how to do my Crochet Jersey 2.0 pattern. You're going to start by getting a weight 4 or 5 yarn and using a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, and begin by chaining 74, or you can adjust for the width as needed using a current jersey you have or sweater, or measuring it shoulder to shoulder and just using that to see how wide it should be once you were done making your chains. And for row 1, you're then going to make a double crochet into the second stitch from the hook. So a total of 73 double crochet should happen. You're going to then, at the very end of the row, once you've done all 73 double crochets, chain 1, flip your work to start row 2. Row 2 is working a double crochet into each stitch, then chaining 1 and flipping your work, and repeat row 2 until your desired length. So I made it so that it measures 25 inches long. You can use it for a reference or use a jersey or sweater that you already have. And as you add to your rows, you can measure it out and lay it against it. I am making 2 panels, one for the back and one for the front. And then note, I did work 17 rows of the front panel before stopping to work the V-neck. And I will show you how to work the V-neck in our next video. But just showing you again, you're working only double crochets. It's a very simple stitch, and here I am demonstrating that again, and it's a very easy pattern. You're just going to continue working this through until you have, of course, your desired length, and then you will come back for the next part of this tutorial where I show you how to start your front panel. But make sure you have your back panel done, because it usually takes the longest. So I like to start there, and then the front panel you're making and starting the same way as you did the back, except after 17 rows, if you want to follow it to mine, I am stopping there, and that is when I begin to start the V-neck formation for the front of the jersey. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and if you want the full pattern, you can check out my Etsy at getcraftywithjackie.etsy.com to have the full pattern ready to go. But I will be dropping a video 1 or 2 a week, so you can work on this at your own pace, and you'll be able to find a playlist for this Crochet Jersey 2.0 pattern, because everyone should be able to rock an awesome football jersey for the coming fall season. And what a better way to get started than right now in July. So I can't wait to see what you make. Please feel free to tag me on social media at Crafty with Jackie, and come back very soon for the next part on how to crochet the V-neck and also how to assemble the panels together. Also, towards the end, I will be demonstrating how to do the letters and numbers that is coming at the very, very end. And this is what it should start to look like as you are working up this panel. And this is about where you stop on the front panel.